Good morning. So today I will do your revision from your English textbook. Okay, English textbook. English text revision. I am fine, beta, and Devoshmita Majhi. If you are having any problem, please write to me. Yes, please everybody muted your microphone. Today I have already given that syllabus in my e-portal, and please today I will take revision from that Carly Locks and the Three Bears and Mumbai Musician, like the MCQ pattern. MCQ means you already know that multiple choice question. So number one, do you know that what is the meaning of locks? So please, what is the meaning of locks? Number one, here. What happened? Any problem? Lisa, Devopriya, can you see me? Am I audible to you? Can you listen to me? Please write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, here number 2, mouth. Number 3, face. So, please write or you can tell. Number 2, question number 2. Question number, it is a hair. It is a hair. So, question number 2, here you know that Carly Locks and Three Bears. So, where, if I can ask that, this one I am just rubbing that. Second one I am writing. Second one I am writing. There is nobody in the family. Bear family lived in the cottage. Who lived in the cottage? The cottage. Number 1, monkey. Number 2, old woman. Number 3, bear family. Bear family. So obviously you know that that is bear family. Number 3. Number 3 I can give the questions. Okay. Devoshmita, Lisa, don't chat here. Okay, beta. So next one, what I can tell you, she saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There's a big bowl for Papa here. So I told you that what did Carly Locks see on the table? Number 1, meal. Number 2, porridge. Number 3, water. So, it is, you know that. Besides that, please tell me why you are not answering that. Only one or A, B, you can just tell that. Okay. So here, see porridge. Number 1. Number 2, porridge is there. And also, yes, Osmit Mondal is writing the porridge. Yes. So, number 4.
And porridge.
Yes, beta, I have seen that. You know that this is a porridge. So, next, if I am telling whose bed Carly Locks slept in dash bed. Number 1.
Bear's bed.
Yes. Papa bear, mama bear and baby bears. Everybody you know that. Papa bears to mama bears. Yes, beta, yes. Don't unmute. Okay. Mama bears. So I have just told you that please do very nicely in your, always you should read nicely. Papa bears, mama bears, or number 3, baby bears. So obviously baby bears bed. So 3 is the answer. Okay. So one thing, another also, you can see that I have given only 3 or 4 baby bears. Yes. And Carly Lock fell asleep in the tiny little bed. Somebody is sleeping my bed. Baby bears in tiny little voice. Carly Locks woke up. She saw 3 bears. She jumped down and ran out. So next, I can keep that. Number 4. Number 4, I can give what is the meaning of tiny. Tiny. Number 1, big. Number 2, very small. And number 3, large. So number 2, very small. Okay. So you know that. That's why we are telling that middle size bed was too soft. Here also some things you should read. Whose beds are too soft? It's mama bears or papa bears or tiny little baby bears. So tiny little baby bears. That also another question I can write. Whose bed? Number 5. Whose bed is too soft? S-O-F-T, soft. Number 1, mama bear.
Ma'am, side please.
Okay, beta. Mama bear, baby bear, and papa bear. Tell me. Whose bed? Mama bear's bed is too soft. So mama bear's bed is too soft. So number 5 is mama bear's bed is too soft. Papa bear's bed is not too soft. But baby bear's bed is right for her Carly Locks. So baby big bed was very hard, middle size bed was too soft, but tiny little bed was just right. So please read line by line all this story. Okay. So next question number 4 I am rubbing. We can go to the Mumbai musicians. Mumbai musicians. Number 1. Grammar class I have already given yesterday. Okay. Revision class grammar I have already given yesterday. So mama bears, baby bears and papa bears. So Mumbai musician, we can go. Mumbai musician, first one, Maria Tabashum. Okay, very good. Why? Everybody you should know. So, where did Dofu go? Number 1, Delhi. Number 2, Mumbai. Number 3, Kolkata.
Mumbai.
Yes, Mumbai. Why did Dofu, Gofu and Fari want to, and that's why they have not only the Dofu, Gofu and Fari. Everybody has gone, no? So, please read full story. And next, we can go, yes, Mumbai. So, number, here from the Mumbai musician, we can go to the number 2. So, here, who is the last one to, what is the name of the cat? Number 1, Dofu. Number 2, Fari. Number 3, Fari. Yes. So, cat's name is Fari. Yes. And next, another one I can give. Number 3, what is the meaning of delicious? Number 1, very good. Number 2, very tasty. And number 3, very bad. Delicious means very tasty. Okay. So this type of question you can get in the Devopriya Mondal. Stop your front camera, beta. Okay. So this type of question you can get in your MCQ questions in your PT2 exam. So you have already known your syllabus. Any problem? If you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay. I have revised some things. Ovirup, Ankita, Aradha, Aritro, Arpon, Oshmi, Oshmit Mondal, Ayush Pal, those who are present, you can give to that P. Okay. And next, we can go to the page number. I will start little bit the chapter of term 2. Also already I have taken that. Again, I will start. Little bit, I will 2-3 minutes, I will just tell the what happened, beta? I could not understand. I have given that PT2 syllabus in my e-portal. Already I have given. Last day I have given, beta. That only from the textbook Mumbai Musicians and Carly Locks. And last day, yesterday also I have done YouTube class. Also 14, 15, 16, 17. English grammar.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, because you have seen that. So today only up to this. Next day also revision will be there, and just I will tell that page number 148, magic porridge pot. You need not to open your book, just listen to me. The magic porridge pot, there is a little girl named Tara. She was very poor, but one day she went to forest. There was an old man, and the old man gave her a pot. Okay, that old man gave her a pot, and she said that this is a magic pot. Whenever you tell that cook pot cook, then they will just cook the porridge. And after that, you have to tell that stop pot stop. Tara was very happy, and she ran to mother and gave to the pot to the mother. Not only that, she told also mother how to tell cook pot cook and how to tell stop pot stop. But one day pot started cooking, but her mother doesn't know how to stop. So porridge started spilling on the floor. Mother called again, wait, do not cook anymore. But she did not tell that stop pot stop. So Tara came back and she saw the porridge was there and road was full of porridge. And she just stopped, told that stop pot stop. Then after pot was stopped to cook the porridge. That is the story. Just I am telling. You will this today for that PT2. Please chapter only read thoroughly. That will be enough. Okay, but you should learn the question answer whatever I have written for your term 2 questions, or for sometimes you have to learn like this. Lisa, what are you asking? Meaning of spilling? Spilling means actually it is spreading everywhere. Spreading. চারিদিকে ছড়িয়ে যাচ্ছে, spilling. Okay. I will tell the next day, means after the exam, I will again start this type of this story, and also I'll write the meaning and spelling also. You can tell that. Those who are present, please write P.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.